Hi, and welcome to 2020's open house in Miss Shankman's biology 5th period. I'm excited to teach your students this year, and I am excited to be here at Santa Fe, where my own kids graduated. So, as a parent, before I get started, I'd like to know who's teaching my kids, so I want to give you a little bit of background about me. So, I'm a Gator grad, like most people here. I've been teaching since the dinosaurs roamed, and these are my two kids that graduated from here. I've spent most of my time back and forth in middle and in high school, so I am new to Santa Fe as far as coming up here this year, but I've been around the district since 2000. At the beginning of the year, we sent home a syllabus with the supplies that they need, and I think you already know what they are. So these are the supplies that they need, and here's a donation thing if you'd like to help us out here at the school. That's a great place to start. The book that we use has the big B on it, but they also have online access to this textbook by going into the same place they click to get to Canvas. They click there to get to their textbook. So, let me tell you about the curriculum. So, all of the curriculum I use is found on Canvas, but I did want to mention that at the end of this year, they're going to have an end-of-course assessment that's going to cover 30% of their grade. So, I guess if you haven't heard about my tardy policy, I'm not big on tardies because we have a lot to cover between now and the end of the year, and I want to make sure that they get a good quality education while they're with me. So we're busy. So let me take you through a typical day. So here's a typical day. They come in, they see this slide on their on the overhead. This is what we're covering in the material, and then over here is what our agenda is. This was an activity. Everything is linked on here. We start with a bell ringer. Then we go on to either an activity, mini lab, notes, or test or quiz. And then they can find all of this in our modules in Canvas. So I'm going to take you to Canvas. And you have to log in. And again, anything that they want, if they should be absent, they go here first. This gives them a good idea of what we're missing. So when you log in, they can either click there for their classroom textbook, or they can go here for the modules in Canvas. So when you log in, you will see all of your students' different classes. I'm going to take you to Biology Period 5, and when they log in, this is what they see. They see this big square or big table of different things to click on. If they have me for Zoom, they click here. Assignments, they can go straight there, or they can go over to assignments on the side view. So if you go over here, you can see we have modules, we have assignments, grades, all over here. So let me tell you where we go first, though. So let me scroll down. We click on modules. So modules, this is October 6th. This is the week, Unit 1, we're still in. And every day that we come in, they have this up there, and if they are ever missing it, they can click on to get their bell ringers. They can click on to find out what we're doing, but this is the same slideshow I teach off of every single day. And if there are assignments that are assigned, we also have them in the assignments category. So these are all the kinds of assignments that we've had throughout the year. So if they need to look for where something is, they can go in here. Okay. Let me go back to this. Okay, so just to let you know, as far as grades go. So grades, are typically found in Skyward. They are not found in Canvas. Canvas is not up to date. But because I can take papers either online or in person, either way works for them. So the best place to look for it is Skyward. Their grades are comprised of 60% classwork and 40% tests and assessments. And let me take you to the last slide, which is my Remind app. So you can either reach me by emailing me, or you can go to the Remind app. And the class code here is 3E49HH. And the kids know what that means. In fact, in Canvas, I have the syllabus. So if you go back to the Canvas course, and I scroll down here to syllabus, we click on syllabus, and my syllabus comes up. So you can scroll down and see. I'm not sure why that came up for Bio Honors. But there's the Remind app information, and this is what I told them that they would have done for them. And so this is about late work and everything you needed to know about this course. So let me go back to home for Canvas and go back to Open House. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me or go to the Remind app and add me, and it's like a text. I can respond to you. Well, I hope you had fun traveling through Shankman's biology class, and I hope to see you soon.